Hola, señora Paz here with instructions for today. We still have a couple more things that we need to do before we finish our chapter 1A. So since we had our summary last class, our review, we're going to do some activities today and next class and we'll be done. First thing, photo, you're familiar with this. Listen to the question. You listen to the question and then you complete the answer right here. And okay, for today you have actividad 1A-7. For actividad 1A-7, you're going to make a copy of this document, and then we have done something similar in the past. You're going to replace the answer right here. You use the highlighter, and then you answer. You replace the line to whatever can go there. So that will be your actividad. It is a conversation between two people. You need to read everything to see what fits best in each one of the lines. So you need to read the whole conversation and then fill in the blanks. We'll be working on that together probably. And if not, if we're not working together in class for any reason, please still submit the form. You're going to submit that here in the space provided. You submit it on time, that even if it's wrong, it's better because we can correct it later. But then you don't have a bad grade for not having it. And then you have 2 quizzes. For your 2 quizzes, you have, the first one is about infinitives. You're going to look at the pictures. You're going to decide what, you're going to choose the ending according to the activity that you see in the picture. So you already know how to do that because you had a practice like that. And this is a quiz. Remember, you had to do it right because you don't have an option to edit. So that's for Prueba 1A-3. And now this is Prueba 1A-4. For Prueba 1A-4, you're going to look at, put a little smiley or frowny face here, and you're going to give me a statement using the activity there. So you had to say, I like to swim. In Spanish, of course. Remember to start with a capital and with a period. And that's what you're going to do. So you're going to make statements looking at the smiley or frowny face here. And writing stories, singing, practice sports, ride a bike, dance, run, read. And then you submit, and that will be your 2 quizzes for today. You're going to study for your final assessment. We're going to have the final assessment next class. And it's going to include everything that we saw in the chapter 1A. So likes, dislikes, agreeing, disagreeing, negatives, infinitives, and all that stuff. So please study for your exam. It has a speaking part. It has a writing part. So please practice, study the vocabulary, and have everything ready for next class. I'll see you then. Hasta pronto.